Oh, Dino, no, you can't put your head in the ice. Now listen, be reasonable. It's cold in there. What? Whoa, stop! Stop! He doesn't want to stop. What is wrong with him? And this other dinosaur is not very helpful. Hey, Dino, don't let this guy... What are you doing? He's putting his head in the ice too. Oh, two dinosaurs are silly. Oh, I don't even know what I'm going to do with those two dinosaurs. Oh, Amelia, what are we going to do with the dinosaurs?
I don't know.
And they don't eat ice. What do they eat?
Leaves.
Leaves. I see no leaves here. Do you see any? What? No, don't. No, I'm telling you, don't. Oh. Okay, that's enough. We better get them out of here and go to the park. Oh.